Time to big up. Time to big up when I said. Say Martin big up.
Glory be to God.
Martin big up when I said.
Good evening, St. Martin.
My friends, this is a serious election.
Picture with me a restructured education system where all of our children will get the same high quality of education that they deserve.
Our people need to be enlightened and empowered to grow, manage, and lead our communities, businesses.
We have too much of talkers. Talk is cheap. We have to be workers.
Every second that I have the chance to, the morals and principles and etiquettes, and letting them know that education is the key.
That new medical center might save my life. It might save your life.
We have to ensure as a government that we put transportation and we can help our seniors.
Solution should be a solution for all.
You have to be ready when opportunity comes calling.
It is about capable people in Parliament.
I know the job. I know what needs to be done. I know why it's being getting done. Progress of this country without progress of its people is no progress at all.
To follow good rules, good government, and to continue on the path of development with the incentives we will benefit because they'll create jobs.
And to move this St. Martin forward.
Why should we settle for good housing when better housing is possible?
You know that St. Martin dependent on you.
To make an informed decision to vote for the UB party.
This election is about a quality of life.
But we the people have to learn to acknowledge the fact that we too have contributed to the ills, and we too have to contribute to fixing and remedying the ills within this country.
St. Martin, don't have no fear. Nobody can do anything.
Always the people comes first.
My grandfather taught me respect for the people, and that is one thing I learned from him. And I told every member of this United People's Party, there is one thing you must understand. It is humility to the people. It is that you must respect the people of our country.